As a faculty member, I'm so proud that we have the privilege to instruct the next generation of nursing students.
I've had teaching experience in other institutions in the past, but there was a difference with the students here at Messiah. They were so engaged, they were so eager to learn, and the faculty were so warm and welcoming and inviting. And having been in that atmosphere and experiencing it, nothing else compared.
We recognize that clinical practice is fulfilling and rewarding, but it's hard work. There's value in bringing that wisdom and experience that you've earned at the bedside to the next generation of students who are really hungry for relationship and education and mentoring with people who have been there and gone before them.
I love helping to take care of patients. However, I realize that I am impacting the community for every nurse that I'm teaching. So I feel that I'm impacting the community more in a positive way because I am part of a team that's preparing students to go out with the many different tools that they need.
Messiah definitely supports you in your scholarship endeavors, and they don't just talk that talk of wanting to see you succeed in scholarship. They actually give you what you need to be able to succeed.
Faith is very important. It's actually one of the best things you'll take into that patient's room, helping the students to understand where your faith has purpose, where your faith has meaning in this vocation is definitely something that sets us up above and beyond other institutions and what other programs might offer.
How can I teach about life and the human body and human development and all the complexities and not say that there's a divine creator? And how do you provide holistic care without being able to talk about spiritual care? That's what Messiah supports and encourages us to do.
The person who would thrive in this environment is somebody who is looking to turn their passion for nursing into their personal mission for developing students for lives of service, leadership, and reconciliation. And we are excited about the growth that we have already experienced and look forward to expanding on that with the right people.